In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Canva brand kit from scratch so every design stays consistent and you can create content much faster, even if you're a complete beginner. To set it up, open Canva and look at the left panel. You'll find a section called Brand. This feature recently got an update called Brand Guidelines, where you can create your complete brand guide right inside Canva. Here, you can add all your brand elements like logo, brand colors, typography and fonts, icons, images, or brand graphics. Let's go step by step. 1. Add your logo. Upload your brand logo under the logo section. 2. Add brand colors. Go to the color section and click Add New in the color palette. You can pick colors directly from your logo to maintain brand consistency. For example, if your logo has blue and yellow, you can add those exact shades here. 3. Set your fonts. In the fonts section, you can define your brand typography. My brand font is Avenir. So for the title, I'm choosing Avenir Extra Bold. For the subtitle, Avenir Bold. For headlines, Avenir Medium. For quotes, Avenir Light. And for captions, Avenir Regular. You can use the same font family or mix it up slightly. It's totally your choice. 4. Add brand voice. In the brand voice section, you can include your brand slogan or short description. This helps keep your tone consistent across your designs. 5. Add brand photos or icons. If you have specific brand images, upload them here. In the icons section, I'm adding my logo icon. 6. Chart colors. In the chart section, you can define additional colors. I'm adding a few like yellow, gray, and white to make my posters more dynamic. And that's it. Every amazing design starts right here. This is the foundation of your entire design journey. In the next chapter, we'll use this brand kit to create professional designs faster and more consistently. First, click on Create a Design and choose the Instagram post size. Next, I'm selecting a template. I'll search for digital marketing and pick a layout that fits my style. Now, let's bring our brand to life using the brand kit we just created. 1. Add logo. Go to the brand section and click on Logos. Since I've already set my brand kit, I can simply drag and drop my logo anywhere on the design. I'll also remove the logo background for a cleaner look. 2. Apply brand colors. Next, I'll change the background to match my brand colors. To do that, I'll remove the default background image, then apply my brand color from the color palette. Canva even lets you shuffle through your brand colors to see which combination looks best. 3. Use brand fonts. Since my default font is Avenir, it's already applied automatically. I'll now add a short brand description directly from my brand kit. No need to refer to any document or file. 4. Try another design. Let's test it on another layout. I'll add my brand logo to the top corner and adjust the poster background to match the logo color. With just one click, I can switch to my brand palette and keep everything consistent. 5. Add text and brand voice. Now I'll insert text. Canva automatically uses my default Avenir font, which saves time. I'll also copy my brand voice or tagline directly from the kit and shorten it slightly to fit this design. And there you go. You can see how easy it is to maintain brand consistency in Canva. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and design hacks. See you in the next video.